Welcome to Total Control. A clean slate awaits you. Quickly populate your inventory by adding products through our web portal, designed for efficiency and ease. While our app offers flexibility for on-the-go updates, the web portal ensures a swift setup. Let's get started and transform your empty canvas into a masterpiece of organization. Begin by clicking Set Up Initial Stock to embark on your journey. The foundation you lay now enhances your future experience. At the very least, ensure to include the SKU, product ID number, product name, stock taking unit, and unit price for a solid start. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through 6 unique products, each from different categories, with varying unit conversions and prices. This will not only give you a solid grasp of the process, but also kickstart your inventory management with total control. Pro tip: incorporate expiry dates for your products to unlock timely notifications before expiration. This proactive step enables you to use or sell products in their prime, boosting your profitability while simultaneously reducing food waste. It's a smart move for your business and the planet. If the pace in this product information session felt quick, no worries. With the upcoming products, I'll slow down, allowing you to comfortably watch and learn at your own pace. Once you've input your products, click Add Items to Main Inventory to finalize your setup. Congratulations! You've just mastered the How to Set Up Your Inventory tutorial. Eager to learn more? Jump into our next video, Managing Your Product Database, and continue to elevate your skills.